Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to conduct a debate on the motion social media has improved human communication. The debate will follow the arrow structure, which means each speaker must clearly state their assertion, followed by a reason, evidence, and link to the motion. The session will begin with the first speaker from the pro team, followed by a rebuttal from the first speaker of the contra team. Then, the second pro speaker will present their argument and will be challenged by the second contra speaker. After that, we will have a rebuttal session, and finally, the noble one will summarize the debate before I officially close it. Now, let us begin. I invite the first speaker from the pro team to deliver their argument.
Okay, so I strongly believe that social media has improved human communication. The reason is because social media removes geographical barriers, so people can communicate instantly regardless of the distance. For example, applications such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and Zoom allows people to exchange messages, voice notes, and video calls in real time. As a result of this, families, friends, and even colleagues can stay connected even when they live in different countries. Therefore, social media enhances communication efficiency and accessibility. This is how social media improves human communication in the modern.
I disagree with the statement that social media has improved human communication. This is so, this is because social media often reduces the quality of communication, even though it increases the quantity. Many interactions on social media are superficial, such as likes or short comments. Consequently, people might feel connected, but in reality, they lack deep emotional engagement. Studies show that excessive social media use can lead to loneliness and miscommunication due to the absence of face-to-face calls. For this reason, social media does not truly improve human communication, instead it weakens meaningful interaction.
Thank, thank you for both speakers. Now we will continue with the second speaker from the pro team to present another argument supporting the motion.
Social media has significantly improved human communication, especially in terms of information sharing. Since social media allows instant dissemination of information, people can communicate ideas, opinions, and news more efficiently. For instance, during emergency or global events, social media platforms enable users to spread information quickly. Moreover, communities can raise awareness, organize movements, and support social causes. As a result of this, communication becomes more participatory and inclusive. Accordingly, social media strengthens human communication by making it faster, broader, and more interactive.
But I feel opposed the motion because social media also creates misunderstanding rather than improvement. This happens due to the lack of tone, facial expression, and also context. If messages are misinterpreted, then conflicts can easily arise. Hate speech, cyberbullying, and also misinformation are common consequences. Therefore, instead of improving communication, social media can damage relationships. Thus, social media can cannot be considered an improvement in human communication unless it is used responsibly, otherwise the negative impacts dominate.
Nevertheless, the problems mentioned by the team are related to user behavior, not the platform itself. If social media is used wisely, then it becomes an effective communication tool. Therefore, the benefits still outweigh the drawbacks.
In addition, even with responsible use, social media still cannot replace face-to-face interaction. Human communication requires empathy and presence, which digital platform cannot fully provide.
Thank you, everyone. So, from the summary today debates, the pro team argue that social media has improved human communication because it enables instant connection, remove distance, and facilitates rapid information sharing. They emphasize efficient inclusivity and global interaction. On the other hand, the contra team highlight that social media reduces communication quality, causes misunderstanding, and weakness emotion connection. They stressed the lack of nonverbal cues and the rise of misinformation negatively affect communication. Overall, the debate show the social media has both strengths and weakness in shaping human communication.
Thank you to all speakers and the Netherlands for their valuable contributions. This debate has shown us different perspectives on how social media influences human communication. Whether social media improves communication or not depends on how we use it. With that, I officially close today's debate. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.